Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the goat does in Grow a Garden. It occasionally goes to a random player and ramps them, knocking and launching them away. I think this is just for funsies. This is I think, is it a rare or common or uncommon pet? I'm just going to put it down and see if that does anything. I'm curious actually. So let's pick something up. I don't know. It says it's gonna ram a player. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen right now, but that would be funny. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.